Hey guys, it's me, it's Ghosty again. I'm the one who's developed the Ghosty Tools on the site you're looking at now. So the video you just watched before was just going about the layout and what the things do and the process on what they do. Well, in this video we're going to run these and we're going to show you how they're implemented and how they work. Just so you're not scared that it will give you malware or it's a virus, because once you start downloading this file, your computer will give you a warning saying it's malware. It is not malware. It's giving you this trigger is because right now I'm not a trusted provider. I'm new to the web with these kind of tools, so it doesn't know who or what it is. And some of the code in there also manipulates and changes the structure of your computer, of your Windows, and Microsoft don't like that, do they? And a lot of it in the coding does a lot of bypassing for admin privileges, so this is why it will give you the prompt. But you'll also get a prompt if you do want to go further with the process, so it doesn't force you to do the process, only if you want to. So there's a good feature there, and we're gonna start with these, all of this. We're gonna do everything. So we're gonna confirm this. As you see here, it will tell me proceed to create a restore point. If I say no, it won't create the restore point, but it will carry on with the actions. And we say, and we will exit this, because I don't need to do it this clean. We don't want to spend time. But I'll do this clean, everything's been applied. Yeah, perfect. How easy is that? Some of these information here you probably see are locked. It's because I'm running some programs in a minute. It's all there, but some of these you don't want to be looking at or changed. You can look further into on why these are not disappearing. Someone could be malware. So you want to go and load up your malware bytes or some of your applications to have a look. Okay, what's this? What's this? Why is that there? What's this? What's this? But yeah, everything's all done there. Everything's all been tweaked. So let's go and run the system maintenance. So run the system maintenance. This is the one that started everything up. Ready, guys? It will tell you that it's going to take a while. Do you want to proceed? If I say no, it won't proceed with the action. So if I click it and I want to proceed, let's proceed with the action. Give it a second. Let it run through the process. It's creating a restore point now, I believe. Let's just load it back up. I think it's because I was messing about with it before I started showcasing it. So let's just load it back up again. It might just be an application error, but it'll be fine. Let's click it. Are you ready to be clicked? It is ready to be clicked. Yes, there we go. So don't know why it did that. If it does it for you guys, just reload the program. Proceed to create a chat point. Yeah, I'm going to do so. So you can have a look on how this is manipulated into there. So it's creating a system restore point. If you don't have the drive in on protections on, it will do it for you. So you can create the restore point. Sometimes computers, when it's a fresh install, it will be off. So we need to put it on. So restore point has been created successfully. Yay. So then it comes up with this screen, and then it will go through the process. While it goes through the process, we've got the music, and we also got the games we can play. How awesome is that? So as it's going through this process, I can go, hey, let's go and beat my score. Or if you got your mate around, you can go and play some tic-tac-toe with him. Of course, some fun little games. I'll update it while we go ahead. Might put some Doom on there. You never know. If you don't see this bar or anything moving, just tab back into here and just press enter. It will be safe to do so. And just be patient. like I said, it will take a while, so I will go through this process here on the video all the way through with you guys, so you can see what's being done and what's been implemented, so you know what you're installing. And I will leave you guys to watch this. Oh, sorry. This. There we go, guys. I'll do apologize. I am right back. Everything has been done. Process has been done there, and it will tell you if it wants to proceed to do a disk check. Right now, I don't need disk check. I have to turn my computer off and turn it back on. Once everything's done, I would suggest on rebooting your computer after all this process is done. So I'm gonna say no for now. And it's gonna do a defrag of your C drive. The main drive. We don't defrag your other drives, just defragging the one. If you'd like me to implement a defrag for other drives, let me know in the feedback area. That will be amazing. So I'll put myself back in camera as well, guys. Oh, pressing the wrong one. There we go. Just let me know in the feedback option, and I will get on working on that. If there's anything you'd like to be added into the tool that you suggest, if you are well educated in programming, or you're really good at the computers as well, as I am still learning in the process, there you go. Let's go back in and carry on. So just let me know in the feedback option as well, guys, what you'd like me to put in there, what you'd like me to change, and I will look into it. If you go into the GitHub as well, guys, you can look into the GitHub. The code is in the GitHub, so if you can have a look, ganders through there and have a look. It's all open source as well, guys. You don't have to pay, you don't have to pay on the site. You can always come over to our Twitch and donate to me. That will be amazing. The donations will go towards the website to more development, as I am making the website all myself from scratch. And just with the hosting part, it will be amazing, so I can add more storage for my tools. When I do end up creating new tools in the future, that will be very grateful as well, guys. Right now, everything is open source. Donations are welcome. Ah, defrag's taking a while, isn't it? It's not defragged in a little while. Just wait a while. I defragged it last week. As we can see here, guys, it's near enough 1 minute's completion. It's just doing the last pass now, I believe. It just should be quick. This video is around 20 minutes long, so this process will take roughly around 20 minutes to do. There we go. 4 passes, I believe. I can't remember how many passes it was, but it's doing a good few for the defragging. These passes are a lot quicker than the first pass. Oh, it's 5 passes. Okay. Let's count how many passes it goes through here, guys. Yeah, the 5. And it should be quicker than the other passes, I believe so. It was 6 passes. Okay. That's it. There we go, and hey, the application is done. Once you see that, it is completed. That is everything, guys. You can also, again, once you, as well, guys, once you do a Windows update, anytime you do a Windows update, the update will redo all these tweaks. So once you do an update, load up the software, click on select all tweaks and confirm again, and then reboot the computer, and it will sort out all the tweaks back in again. Anyways, guys, thank you for being here, and thank you for downloading the Ghosty Tool. Much appreciated.